A better way to search the web. Increased everyday privacy, less digital tracking, but it still requires careful clicking habits. Today we're taking a practical look at Startpage, a privacy-focused search engine that may be a good replacement for Google as your everyday search tool. But let's be honest right from the start. Startpage can improve your privacy, but it will not magically protect you from every bad click on the internet. The hidden problem with regular search. Search engines track your activity, your results are personalized to your profile, and the top spots are often paid sponsored results. Most people open a browser, type a search, and click the first thing that looks right. That's where the trouble can start. Search engines may track what you search for, what you click, and what interests you over time. And those top results are not always the best results. Sometimes they're just the ones that paid rent for the top bunk. Startpage acts as your privacy middleman. Startpage is a privacy-focused search engine. Think of it as a middleman between you and the search results. Instead of you going directly to a major search provider and handing over more information about yourself, Startpage does the asking for you and brings the results back, sweeping up your digital breadcrumbs. The big privacy benefit is that your searches are less tied to you personally. Startpage says it does not store your search history, IP address, or browsing activity. That means fewer breadcrumbs following you around the internet. And believe me, the internet already has enough crumbs to feed a flock of pigeons. The search engine tool belt matrix. For many everyday searches, yes, Startpage can replace Google as your default search engine in Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers. That does not mean you must throw Google into the digital trash can. Google can still be useful for maps, local businesses, shopping, breaking news, and searches where it simply finds the answer faster. Startpage does not eliminate sponsored links. Here's the part we need to be very clear about. Startpage does not completely remove sponsored results. It may reduce some of the Google-style clutter and personal tracking, but sponsored links can still appear. Sponsored still means someone paid to be there. That does not automatically make it bad, but it does mean you should slow down before clicking. Beware the sponsored results trap. Misleading sponsored results are a real problem. Scammers can use ads to push fake support numbers, fake software downloads, fake antivirus warnings, or websites that look almost like the real thing. The first result is not always your friend. Sometimes it's wearing a fake mustache and hoping you don't notice. 4 habits for safer clicking. Whether you use Google, Startpage, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or anything else, safe habits still matter. Look for labels like sponsored or ad. Check the website address carefully. Don't click just because something appears first. And when visiting important websites like your bank, Medicare, Social Security, or your email provider, it is safer to type the known web address directly. The honest caveat: privacy versus perfection. Startpage is not perfect, and we should not pretend it is. Some privacy-focused users have raised concerns about its ownership connection with System 1. Startpage says its privacy-focused operations and policies remain separate. For most average users, that does not make Startpage a bad choice, but it is something worth knowing. Trust is good, verification is better. My final recommendation. My middle road recommendation is simple. Use Startpage as your everyday default search engine if you want more privacy and less tracking. Keep Google nearby as a backup tool when needed. Startpage gives your privacy a fighting chance, but it does not give your mouse permission to click without thinking. Stay safe, stay curious, and remember, verify before trust. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy.